Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your transit number on CIBC online banking. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just get straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is open up a web browser and head to CIBC.com and hit enter. Now from here on this page, we need to log in. So we can log in here by putting in our card number and our password, then click on sign on. Then once you're signed in, you'll see a list of bank accounts on the home page. Select the account, so you click on the account name or number for which you need the transit number. Then look for an option like account details or scroll until you see a section that includes transit number, institution number, which is 0104 CIBC, or an account number. These may be displayed together in the format transit branch number, institution number, and account number. For example, 12345 010 123456 7.